Hi, this is Ajanta ma'am, and today I'm back with another video, and this time it is about there will come soft rains. This is the second part to this short story. Throughout the story, natural phenomena and raw materials symbolize nature's lasting dominance over humankind and technology. A few birds, cats, and the dogs survive the atomic bomb. For example, suggesting that nature can endure even the most destructive technology human beings have at their disposal. Later in the story, a tree branch falls on the house, causing the fire that ultimately destroys the building. Therefore, both the tree and the fire are representatives of nature that proves destroying mankind's technological creations. The water that runs out while the house tries to extinguish the fire further represents the ultimate reliance of an advanced technology on the resources of natural world. Though the house wishes entirely to close itself off from the nature because it shuts down its windows, draws its shades, it is mentioned in the story that in an old maidenly preoccupation with self-protection. But it must rely on nature for sustenance. Wood is needed for the fires, water is needed to clean its dishes, and of course the trees and the plants need water. The food that comes from nature is needed for the family, now the family that is dead. So therefore, the story talks about the dominion of nature of man. Excuse me. And that the sun that shines over the rubble of the house in the last moments of the story symbolize nature's definitive victory over mankind's creations. The story begins with the quote, "The front door recognized the dog's voice and opened. The dog, once huge and fleshy, but now gone to bone and covered with sores, moved in and through the house tracking mud. Behind it whirred angry mice, angry at having to pick up the mud at angry inconvenience." So all this states that the dog that is there, even though it has survived the atom bomb, it is still living, and it comes inside the house even though there are robotic mice. Time to leave for school. The clock sings a song to indicate it's raining outside, suggesting that one wear rubbers, raincoats for today. The garage then opens, revealing a waiting. So Here the story is talking about, the story is talking about the house that continues to cater to every need of its residents. And in this case, it reads them the weather to protect them from the rains. The house also tries to direct residents at every step. It tells the family when to leave for school and how to dress for the day. The garage door opening and then closing, which is ominous. And it again suggests that the family is gone, but the house is indifferent to their absence, continuing its business as though nothing were wrong. So, the story goes on talking about the symbols that talk about the natural symbols which predominates human technology. Then the story says, disposal that flushes away to the distant sea. The dirty dishes are submerged in hot water and come out twinkling dry. The clock announces 9:15 and a horde of robotic mice. What does it mean? This means that technology has traits of human beings. It is personification, complete with a throat. Now, animals, the mice, for example, these are machines which have been created as improvements upon nature. Yet, they resemble nature. As soon as the residents have been instructed to go to school, the house begins cleaning up and putting itself in order. At this point in the story, the house seems to be eager to do everything just right from its own sense of perspective. Thank you for watching my videos. Do continue to watch for an in-depth analysis into your short stories, your poems, as well as Shakespeare. Do hit the like button, the subscribe my channel, and mention if you want me to do any chapter or any poem for that matter. Thank you.